O, palapakan din natin sa video. Okay.
Okay, so good afternoon everyone, especially to you ma'am. In line with the discussion earlier, today in this afternoon session we'll be having a new lesson which is all about dimensions of media. So who have an idea what's dimensions of media all about? Anyone could tell us? Yeah, without looking at my presentation of numbers. Anyone have an idea? No. No one has an idea. I know that some of you have an idea, but you are just shy to tell us. And you are just shy to tell us. Although somebody might feel like their head almost was closed and thinking, what the media or what? Isn't it? Okay, so even me, I don't even know about this lesson earlier recently, but just because I spend my whole time studying about this, just study about this, just for you guys. And which is why I'm here studying, talking in front of you to share my knowledge and understandings about what I have learned from this lesson, by the way, and also explain to you so that you can understand it well. Okay, anyway, if you have questions or some legitimate discussion, just raise your hand so that I can answer it as soon as possible, okay? So let's have the introduction first. So, media and other information providers plays a central role in information and communication processes. So, yung media ko na play roles sa atong society na importanteng papel na ginagampanan. Nowadays, media became the most common outlet of self-expression and creativity. Medyo dahil pinakakapila, medyo creative in all creative. It huge influence really across the globe. Medyo kung mag-share kita information ay medyo automatic na spread sa buong mundo. The connection between technology advances and people's connectivity created a huge impact on the lives of today's generation. So, as a student, kita makaroon ng mga generation ay medyo malaki katong the impact in technologies and also especially sa social media kasi medyo kailangan natin mga, for example, mag-research ito sa Google, Brainly, and so whatever ng mga pwede natin mabuhan information para sa educational purposes. So also multimedia information and media gives emphasis on the presentation of information in creative and interactive manner. However, rating the validity and reliability of information relies on the critical thinking skills of media users. Understanding how information are formally and informally produced, organized, and disseminated will lead to the better comprehension of the content from social media. So, knowing ko na the mga information na napoproduce natin through informally and formally produced ay will lead kapon nga magiging manamid ato ng mga content sa social media. So, that's why may unang abo nga views, may unang matagos ang kere. Depende sa content na ato na coverage sa social media. Kung reliable mat-imo para kanda ay medyo abong matanila man sa damang So, let's move on to the point of view of our lesson, which is media dimensions or dimensions of media. So first we have here the definitions of media dimensions. So, it's media as an instrument of information, dissemination, influence, the trend of every generation. So, the media ako na marahay, medyo naka-influensya sa iba. For example, pasukin natin na mundo na TikTok. So, may nakita ka mo is new dance TikTok challenge sa TikTok. So, ginaya ni Mana. Then, i-share niyo man. I-share niyo. So, kung i-share niyo, ay, di ba may mga friends na kamo, followers niyo, ay nakakakita ka ron. So, there's a possibility nga, medyo inyo, gatugad na kinyo, medyo gusto mananda nga,
challenge, accept.
Yeah, do yun sa challenge ba niyo. Tapos ay, do na, maybe nga dato nga mga naggaya man kinyo, yung mga friends nga to ay, may friends pa din nga, naggaya man sa, and so on, sa mga friends, kamadya, connectivity ba? May connectivity sa data network. Doon natin masukat do, tinatawag nga million dimensions, which means, which means like from one source to many, like there. Yeah. Di na, yeah, di na, ano, medyo, Let's continue. Information may be presented in various ways depending on the platform it uses. Media dimensions may be presented in the form of text. Text is, for example, para ng mga visuals or pictures, illustrations, audio, music, and vocals. Motion, for example, para common ay the animation, and floating, and multimedia. So, any question about media dimensions? Naintindihan? Yeah. Okay, so information presented through these platforms may be used through formally or informally produced and disseminated around the globe. So we have two types of platforms that can be used on producing information. So we have here the formal produced. Formal produced information are created by professionals who follow standards in creating, editing, and producing information, such as schools, government, and established media or publishing outlets. So, kamanit, formal sana kasi nga ay follow sana is standards sa creating, editing, and producing. So, like schools, medyo andang kailangan niya focusan, medyo kailangan ay turanan dahil na yung mga estudyante na maging mayad do andang mga knowledge or enhance. Like government, sa mga government sa hindi ka naka-record sa ato mga anong kailangan ada mga na-share ng mga information na matuod para sa mga individuals na kailangan man adang information na halintanda. Okay, so next is the informal produced. Informal produced information are created by individuals, often for personal use such as blogs, personal emails, SMS, online messengers, and social media platforms. So, the formally ako na ay produce information created by individuals. Kita makita ka students, diba? Medyo malapapadong yung knowledge sa sa social media, mga medyo may sangkari nga polishing pa. Polishing mo sangkari. Such as vlog site. Kaman mo sa informal kasi may una ang mga tao nga may content sa dahil may una sa mga uwa namin nga hambal sa mga makaroon. Sa personal emails matahay, pwede man nga ibrahan ko isang tao nga kung anda mato yung pangalan da ibutang sa andang emails, pwede yung ibang password. Medyo private ba? Tapos SMS stands for short message service. Tapos online messengers. Message mga manding online messengers ay ato matanga mga private, private message mo sa akalaw pakita ko alin at ato yung ibutang sa i-chat ba na to. And social media platforms. So, ato pa rin yung mga na-post sa Facebook naman, sa mga Instagram site. Medyo may mga
story.
Mga tao nga, wala nag-iisip bago mag-click sa andang
Think before you click.
Yeah, that is why. Okay, so on the right side, we have here the table shows how media resources are formally and informally produced. So first, in the column, you have the media resources. The second one is the formally produced by or through. And thirdly, you have the informally produced by or through. So first, in media resources, we have the text. Texts are formally produced by news articles, published books, newspapers, magazines, advertisements, and research groups, and so whatever. Then, medyo common man siguro kinyong na advertisement. May mga research works ay para sa ating sa practical research, mga din. And texts are informally produced by or through blogs, personal emails, SMS, online messengers, social media platforms. As I said before nga, doon yan medyo bukod masyado sa ga-isip sa andang mga content na share ng mga information. Second one is the visual or audio. Visual or audio are formally produced by or through schools, government, established media, and publishing outlets. So Yan imo, as I said man before na medyo manami ang intention, medyo expert ba kakaka-obra. Then here in visual audio are formally produced by or through other output not produced by formal organizations. Why? Naman iya imo para sa formal produced. Simple, because iya imo sa iya nahambang nga other output not produced by formal. Kaya, which is why iya imo sa informally. Gets no? Yes. Right. Okay, so let's move on to the third one. We have the motion and manipulative. Motion and manipulative are formally produced by professionals who follow industry standards in creating, editing, and production. So, kaina man ni Joga. Revising man lang kita, bago man kung sa sa formally high professionals do mga naka-obra medyo expert basta na paano mga social media, mga informations, details, medyo follow it as under procedures. Yes. And while motion and manipulative are formally produced by created by individuals for personal use only, medyo opposite sa nanday ba ko informal ba. Kaya karang sa yung informal created by individuals ay medyo aton ang privacy ra, medyo kinahanglan natin privacy ay di ka kita na medyo aton yan ang own naton privacy din. Okay, so as I said before, the table above shows how media resources are formally and informally produced. Okay, so this set of information are commonly presented through the use of right channels. So as mga right channels, mga daya man para sa mga right channels, mga news articles, newspapers, magazines. The tape, para books, newspapers, most often they are in the form of paragraphs, lists, tables, or text, pictures, illustrations, or images, and so whatever visuals, samples visuals ng mga ganyan, pictures, illustrations, and mga photos. You have you have the music, sounds in audio, included man do mga vocals, moving objects, animation doon, or combination of them are multimedia, tayo mga other sources pang mga karaya, mga app na nakita sa mga karaya app nila, pero yun yung tawag ng mga multimedia. Analyzing how information are formally and informally produced, organized, and disseminated will help you to assess the credibility of information in regards to its reliability or science, validity, or katotohanan, totoo ba ang informasyon do andang mga na share sa iba. Timeliness o napapanahon ba andang mga pag-share it information, accuracy or kaangkupan sa mga content sa social media, and the authority of the author or kapangyarihan ng may akda. So always remember yung kung sa formal rather ay created by professionals, while sa informal produced
Created by individuals.
You get it?
Yes.
So any question? Yes,
Answer.
Mata?
Answer.
Okay, so that's all I can express my understandings about media dimensions. Thank you for cooperating and listening. I was really hoping that you have learned something from my discussion, and or if you still have questions or clarifications about today's lesson, from now on I give the honor to Ma'am Russell, our very own advisor, so that we can ask her for better, more additional explanations. That's all. Thank you very much.